Okay, I'm a little late for this one. But being a content creator is not easy when you have a whole bunch of other stuff outside your life going on. However, though, in today's tutorial, as you can go ahead and tell from the actual intro, or excuse me, this is the intro. As you can tell from the thumbnail, this one I was waiting to do a lace tutorial for. I just didn't have the time for it. And I feel like a lot of you guys were telling me that this one is, you guys really want to see a lace tutorial for this one from what I've seen from the comments. And today we're doing it on the Air Jordan 14 in the Ferrari color way. And as you see right here, very, very beautiful shoe. We already went ahead and did an actual review over on the channel of these. Go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I wanted to throw up a lace tutorial on here just to kind of give you guys a different look and perspective of how you can go ahead and rock your kicks. And as far as 2025 go, this is definitely up there for top 10 this year, in my opinion. So without further ado, let's begin this. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefert. Hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very blessed day. In today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another segment of the 3 ways on how I lace up my sneakers for 2025. And the shoe that we're going to be using is one of the, I would say, top 5 releases for this year. A lot of you guys are still messaging me to see where you guys can get pairs, and I haven't been able to find any more for you guys, but that shoe is no other than the Air Jordan 14 in the Ferrari colorway. But today, though, we are, like I said, going to be taking a look at how I actually go ahead and lace these up. Right now, I currently am rocking the bunny lace, as you can see, but I have 2 more lace styles, which is the loosey-goosey and the knot lace, which I'll be showing you here shortly. But this shoe right here is definitely getting a lace tutorial, and I was kind of behind on it because I was supposed to drop it like 2 days ago, but I got super busy, but I'm doing it right now. Before we go ahead and take a look at the actual lace tutorial for the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari, I do want to give you guys your shout outs and your kudos because, like I always tell you guys, it's not me, it's we. And all of the momentum and support that you show me, I got to make sure you guys are taken care of first, and I got to get my thanks before anything. So without further ado, let's begin it. All right, so first and foremost, before we go ahead into this lace tutorial, thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you show. Like, seriously, 2025 has been an insane year, and we're only in June right now. We have so much more other shoes coming out. I mean, we got, what was it? We got the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money's coming. We have Gammas, which I'll talk about at the end of the video. There's a lot of stuff's coming out, and I really want you guys to go ahead and actually see these videos when they drop. So if you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. The goal this year is that 10K subscriber, and we're literally about 2,000 people there. So if you're watching this video right now, it's your first time, tap in with the channel. So I'm telling you, this year I'm bringing you guys a lot of great videos. I'm telling you. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and engage with the channel. I tell you guys all the time, engagement is the key. Like, literally, you don't even have to engage on YouTube. If you want to engage, I know some of you guys follow me on Instagram and you kind of like tag me in the stories, and best believe I see all of them. If you even want to go ahead and do that, I'll feature you like you see right here. It just doesn't have to be YouTube, but it's a way for me to kind of give back to you guys because I greatly appreciate the family so much. So with all that said and done, I appreciate you guys, and right now we're going to go ahead behind the camera and look at how we lace up the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari. Let's go. Okay, so right now, before we go behind the camera, I just want to give you a little bit more like in-depth detail of what's really going to be happening. So as you can see right here, we got the Air Jordan 14. I'm going behind the camera. I'm going to show you guys 3 different styles. We're doing the bunny lace, we're doing the loosey-goosey, and we're doing the knot lace. Now, relax, sit back, enjoy your time, rewind if you need to. I like doing these segments because it's a way for me to kind of get you guys to style your shoes. That way, some of the laces I see, I'm kind of like, I don't know. I have a couple methods that could be a little bit better. Now, these aren't the best lace styles in the world, but these are the ones the 3 that I use that are fun and quick for you to go ahead and use. So sit back, relax, and family, let's begin this lace tutorial. All right, family, so here we go right here, starting with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace. And for this one, all you really have to go ahead and do is when you actually feed them through the eyelets, which I'll show you, the key is to kind of have a sort of a small lacing with it. So don't have it too tight, don't have it too loose. So I usually go ahead and, like all my videos, when I start off doing lace tutorials, I take them all out and I always start with the right one right here. So just follow along and see how we do this. So the Air Jordan 14, is pretty cool because the eyelets are actually inside where the tongue is at. Rather, most shoes have them on the outside, it's inside. So we're just gonna go ahead and follow. We're gonna go ahead and push it through. Just follow along, everybody. Follow along. Feed it through, feed it through. Hey, let me know, did anyone go ahead and grab these? Did anybody go ahead and get a pair of these? I know a lot of people were saying that they actually enjoy these more than the 2014s. And I honestly think so too. Granted, I never had the 2014s, but these are very clean now. So just keep feeding it through. Keep feeding it through. And then for this one, when we put it through the second eyelet, that's where I'm gonna stop at. You can go ahead and put it to the last eyelet, but I kind of don't like it like that because I kind of like to give my laces, I like to have enough slack, I guess you could say, so I could tie it. So all I do is I take it, tie it up, and then after I tie it up, I make a small bunny lace like that. Let me do some adjusting right here, and then after I adjust it, it'll look something like this. So there we go right there. And I like doing it because it just sits right there, as you can see, on the rest of the shoe. And like I said, you can go ahead, some people put it through the eyelets, but for the 14th, I don't like doing that because I kind of, for me personally, it looks really good how you do it like this. There we go right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing on feet and let's take a look at it right now, shall we? And guys, here we go with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace. We have it on feet, as you see right here, and it looks nice in my opinion. I didn't go ahead, like I said, I left the last eyelet alone and I just put it through the second one, tied it up and set it right there. If you have like really long bunny ears, just go back and adjust it and you'll be sitting pretty with these. But I think the bunny lace is a nice lace style for the Air Jordan 14, especially with that nice tongue that the 14 does have. Let me know down below how you feel about this one, and we're moving on to the second lace style, the loosey goosey, and here we go. All right guys, so moving on to the second lace style. This one is the loosey goosey, and it's pretty much in the name. This style is just a loose look, and I'll show you how we do it right now. So I always go ahead and start with the right. You're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna feed this one the same thing like you did with the bunny lace, except you're gonna give yourself just enough slack because you don't want this to be choked up at all. That way at the very end, when we go ahead and put it through this last eyelet, it's gonna go ahead and hang and look nice and pretty. So just follow along and take your time. Here we go. Here we go. Just keep feeding it through. Feeding it through. Feed it through. Yo, I really do like the fact that the Air Jordan 14's insoles, I keep saying insoles, the eyelets are actually inside. It really makes it look really good because you don't have to worry about any of the lace holes exposed except for the first one. Such a very nice shoe in my opinion. This is a very, very nice shoe. So we're getting to the second one now, putting it through, and then we're also gonna go ahead and feed it right there. All right, so as you see right here, we are at our this is the second eyelet, but we're gonna go ahead and feed this one over here. So you're just gonna put it in, and then you're gonna go ahead and let it hang a little bit, do some adjustments, and then same thing, take the last one and put it through, and then you're gonna go ahead and let it hang. Now it's gonna look something like this when you're done. Let's say for example the lacing on the is a little bit too short, we'll go ahead, or too long, we're just gonna go ahead and adjust it, and it'll look something like this when you're finished. You see how the lace is not too long, it's right at the carbon fiber. That's kind of how you want it to look, in my opinion at least. That's how I usually rock mine. Same thing with this one. This one's kind of barely surpassing the carbon fiber. If you want to, just go back to do a slight adjustment, and there we go right here. And this is how you would do the loosey goosey lace style. In my opinion, I think it looks really nice on the Air Jordan 14. Actually, I think so far it's the best one that we've done lace style wise. It just hangs right there. It looks clean. You don't have to worry about adjusting it once you adjust it correctly. Very, very lovely. So here we go. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put these on feet and check these out. Let's go. All right, family, so we moved over to the second lace style. This is the loosey goosey, and wait, I gotta admit, this lace style looks really good. The loosey goosey actually looks really good on the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari, I have to admit. I like the way that once you go ahead and you make it super small, you don't have to worry about, you know, it being all over the place. And then with the insole, or excuse me, the eyelets, I keep saying that, with the eyelets being inside of the shoe, you look, it gives it a nice clean look. It gives it a nice clean look, in my opinion. Let me know what we think about the Air Jordan 14, and let me know what we think about this loosey goosey style, because I think it looks really right for this one. Now moving on to the third and final lace style. This is the knot lace, and here we go, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Right here, the last lace style. This is the knot lace, and for this one, I kind of want to keep it, when you're going up to the eyelets, keep it at a medium length. You don't want it too tight and you don't want it too loose. So here we go, follow along, and let's see how we get this one done. Hey y'all, shout out to the ones that made it so far to this point of the video. If you have, I appreciate you so much. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I'm always dropping a lot of content every single day, the best that I can. And these lace tutorials I love bringing for you guys because they're really just fun. They're fun and entertaining, seriously. And like I said, you know, I know there's a whole bunch of different lace styles that are way better than these, but these are the ones I feel are quick and easy that you can go ahead and learn, and you don't have to worry about, you know, stressing out and I can't get it right, you know. So let me know down below if you made it this far, and definitely hit that like button and subscribe. So we're gonna go over here. So for this one, I'm actually going to not put it through the second eyelet again, just because I want to have some length with this one. So once you get all the way to putting it inside, like as you see right there, see how you put it in there, and it goes in there. You're gonna go ahead and take this, just follow along. You're gonna take the two tips, right? See the two tips? You're gonna take your finger, your hand, stick two fingers out, and then you're gonna go ahead and take it and wrap it around the finger. And then once you go ahead and wrap it, you're gonna make a small hole, see that hole right there? And then you're just gonna push this in like that. You're gonna push it in, and then you're gonna go ahead and adjust this sucker down, kind of like a little small anchor. So when you're done, it should look something like this. See it? See how it looks? I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time as well. That way we can go ahead and follow along. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pinch the two lace tips. You're gonna take your hand, put two fingers out. You're gonna go ahead and wrap it around the two fingers. And then kind of put it behind your thumb, and with this hand, you'll take it and you'll feed it through like so, and then adjust it down. Oops. Like so. And when you're finished, it looks like that. This knot lace is pretty cool too, because once you actually have it harnessed in here, it's not going anywhere, which is really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on the feet right now, and then we'll end the video off, guys. Let's go ahead and do it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the last lace style. This is the knot lace. Let me know what we think about this one. Like I said, I think it's really cool that the fact that the Air Jordan 14, the eyelets are on the inside rather than the outside. So when you do these lace styles, it looks really clean opposed to the other sneakers with the eyelets on the outside. But do let me know how you feel about this one. I think it's really wonderful. I think it's not bad. Out of all the ones that we've done, I gotta give it to the Loosey Goosey and the Bunny. The Bunny's just always my personal favorite, just because I like the way it sits there. But the Loosey Goosey looks really nice when you adjust it over on the Air Jordan 14. However, though, this is the knot lace. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right now, and let's begin. And boom, there we go right there. We got the 3 ways of how we laced up the Air Jordan 14 and the Ferrari colorway. And you know, I honestly rock with the bunny lace for this one. I know I feel like the last couple lace tutorials I've always been going with the bunny lace, but I feel like for the Ferrari, the way that it looks, the bunny lace just sits on that tongue very, very beautiful. And then especially with that little, go ahead and you have the tongue with the Jordan. Very, very nice. But do let me know what was your favorite lace style. I appreciate you guys for watching. Seriously, if you watched all the way through the video, thank you so much. Let me know what was your favorite. This has been your boy, this has been your kid Ferrari. I love you guys so much. Also, we have a lot of stuff coming for this year. We recently just got, I would say as of 2 days ago, we got official images. Check these out. Official images of the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue. This sneaker right here was the one that started it all for me. This was one of the sneakers that started with me really wanting to pursue heavy into YouTube like I'm doing now. And to see we got official images with that high cut patent leather, yeah, these ones right here are going to be a problem for me. Minimum double up. Minimum double up. Let me know what you guys are thinking about them. I feel this is one of the, this is my favorite sneaker of all time. This is my favorite sneaker of all time. And let me know how you feel about these photos. Let me know, are you excited for them? Are you not excited for them? Because December 13th, I will be there. But like I said, guys, more videos are on the way. Appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support. Love you so much. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, guys.